So fifth grade, this sheet is attached for the assignment. It says name and date, and then it says, what is a growth mindset and how can having this type of mindset help you achieve your goals? So what I would do here if I was you is we talked about growth mindset as basically being positive and open to trying new things. Like think about the time when you learned how to do multiplication. You had a growth mindset to say, oh, I'm going to try this, or I'm going to use these bundles to make it. A negative mindset or a fixed mindset would be, I can't do it. So you need to think of, it says, what is a growth mindset and how can having this type of mindset help you achieve your goals? You can think of something that you really, really want to do. So let's say that you really want to learn how to play soccer. What is it that made you be able to do that by having a growth mindset? If I was going to do that, I would say that I was dedicated to practicing every day and maybe falling down or getting hit by a ball, but standing up and trying it again. Or let's say you are interested in doing a hoverboard, same type of thing, or like a video game, or dancing, or art. So a growth mindset here would be proving to yourself that you can do something, but knowing that it's going to have its challenges and that you might not get it the first time. So you have an option of either writing this down or sending me a vocal message like I'm giving you now. One thing is if you send me a message, you can't say, I had a growth mindset because I danced. Okay, you have to give me more information. So the expectation's the same whether you write it out or if you record it to me, but you have that option always. Okay, if you have any questions, you can reach me during office hours, Monday through Friday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Miss Clardy changed it. 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock.